Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be giving you a short overview of the project that we'll be building in this course. So here as you can see I am at the front end of our website, and let's start with our top bar. In the top bar we have some contact information at the left hand side, in the right hand side we have social icons, and all of these are dynamic. We can control them from our backend. After that we have our nav bar. At the right hand side you can see we have our logo, and then we have our nav items. And by the way, we can control this nav item from our backend. In the backend, we have a drag and drop menu builder. By that, we'll be able to create menu items, edit menu items, and also we can order them by drag and drop. I'll be showing you the module little bit later on. After this nav items, we have some buttons here at our right hand side. First of all, you can see we have a search icon. If I click here, it will open a search bar. And from here, we will be able to search any kind of product in our project. After the search, we have the cart icon. From here, we will be able to see the card count. After the card icon, we have this message icon where we can see live message count. After that, we have this user icon. By that, user can go to his dashboard. After this user icon, we have this reservation button. If I click on it, it will pop up a reservation form. From here, user will be able to request a reservation. Okay, now let's move on to our first section. So in the first section, you can see this is a slider. So from our backend, we can create dynamic slider, and the contents that you are seeing here all are dynamic. Everything is coming from database. After this slider section, we have this yChooser section. This section is also totally dynamic. We can control it from our backend. Even we can change this title as well. After this section, we have our daily offer section, or you can say our flash sale section, where you can show your products that are in sale. And for this one, we also have a separated module in our backend as well. After this section, we have our menu section, where we are showing our featured product depending on the categories. So these categories are also our featured categories. We can change these categories from our backend. And if I click on a category, you will see it will change the product depending on the category. If I click on the pizza, you will see that our products will change, and it will show only the products that have this pizza category. So this section is totally dynamic, and these are basically our featured products. We can select our featured products from our backend that we want to show in our homepage. Now let's talk about these product cards. You can see, first of all, we are showing the category of the product, obviously. Then we have the image of the product. Then we have the price. So for this product, we doesn't have any kind of offer price. So you can see only the main price. If a product have a offer price, you will be able to see it like this. Look at here, the main price was $39. After discount, it is $20. Exactly like this. Now after that, we have the product name. Then we have some action buttons like cart button, wishlist button. Then we have view button. If you click on the cart button, it will open the cart model. You can see a model has been appeared. From here, you can see for more information about the product, like this product have multiple sizes. You can select the size, large, medium, small. You can control the size from the backend. You can create any kind of size you want depending on your need. Then after that, we have optional items. If you want to add any kind of optional item with a specific product, you'll be able to do it also. Like for this product, I added some optional product like Coca-Cola, extra cheese, etc. And by the way, each optional product can have their own pricings, and also size can contain extra pricing as well. Look at here, for this product, we have 3 sizes, large, medium, small, and each size contain their own costing. Like if I select small, it will add more $10 with the base price. And obviously, if you don't want to add the extra pricings for the size or option, you can ignore it. You can turn off it from the backend. I mean, you can make these items like size options free as well. Okay, after this size and option, we have the quantity field from where we can increment or decrement our quantity. If I click on increment, you will see now our quantity is updated, and also the total amount is as well updated. Our base price is 40. As we added 2 quantities, our total amount is $80. Now if I try to add this product into my cart, if I click here, you will see that we're getting this error, please select a size. As this product supports size and we didn't select any kind of size, that which size we want, it will throw error. So first of all, we have to select a size. Let's say I will select large, which will charge us more $30. You can see this is our total amount now. Now if I click on the add to cart, it will add the product into the cart. And these options are basically optional. You can also select some or you can ignore it. Let's say I want Coca-Cola with this product. So select the Coca-Cola and now let's click on add to cart. It will load and add the product into your cart. Look at here, we're getting this notification, product added into cart. If I close this up, you can see the cart icon. In the cart icon, our counter is updated. We can see now here 1 because in our cart we have 1 product. If I add another product, let's say I want to add this one, click on it. You can see the product information. You can select the size and click on add to cart. Again, it added a new product into our cart. Let's close this up. Look at here, our counter is updated to 2. If I now click on this cart icon, it will open a sidebar from where you will be able to see your products listed there. This is basically a mini cart. From here you can see your cart view. We also have a dedicated cart page as well, but we'll be seeing it a little bit later on. So from this mini cart, you can check out your cart details like quantity, size, optional items, and the base price of the product here. And from here, if you want to remove a product, you can just click on this cross button. It will remove your product from the cart. You can see we're getting this alert, item has been removed. And now, as you can see in our mini cart, we have only 1 item. We'll be exploring more about the cart a little bit later on. For now, let's check out our other features as well. If I close here, it will remove the sidebar. Okay. After the cart button, we have this wishlist button. If you want to put a product in your wishlist, you can just click on here and it will put the product into the wishlist. As you can see, we're getting this notification, product has been added into the wishlist. Now let's check out our product view page. You can click on the name of the product or you can click on this I button. It will take you to the product view page. You can see we are at the product view page. If I scroll a bit, in the left hand side, you can see we have the product slider, and in the right hand side, you can see the description about the product. We have a short description of the product, we have the price of the product, we have the sizes, options, quantity, and we have the total amount. We can select the size, it will change our total amount. We can select the optional items as well. Coca-Cola, extra cheese, it will add these amounts in our total amount as well, as we saw in our model previously. After that, we have here add to cart button as well. We can add the product into the cart. If I click here and look at here, the product has been added into the cart. After that, here as you can see, we have the description. This is our long description. Then after that, we have the review section. If I click on the review section, it will take us to the review section. For this product, we doesn't have any kind of review, so that's why you can see reviews are 0. If we had reviews for the product, the reviews will be listed here. After this section, we have our last section in the product view page, which is related items, where we are dynamically showing the related product of this product. You can see we have a slider here. That's it for our product view page. Let's go to our home page once more time. Let's discuss about our other sections as well. Let's scroll a bit. So we already saw the menu item section. After the menu item section, we have a banner section, which is a slider. Everything here is dynamic. We can control this text, background image, and slider from the backend. Scroll a bit. Then we have our team section, or you can say chef section, where you can list out all of your the featured chefs in the home page here. After this section, we have this app banner section. If client have any kind of Android or iOS application, he will be able to add the link of the application here. Look at here, we have 2 buttons here, Play Store button and App Store button. Whenever user will click on this button, he will redirect to the app download page. So after this section, we have the feedback section where we can show our featured feedbacks in our homepage. Everything here is also dynamic. This testimonials and also this title that you are seeing here. After this section, we have a basic counter section where you can show some information about your experiences, like how many customers you serve, how many happy customers you have, what kind of awards you win, etc. Everything here is also dynamic, even these icons that you are seeing here. In the backend, we used a icon picker. By that, you will be able to select icons dynamically from your backend. After this section, we have our last section, which is latest blogs section, where we are showing our latest blog post. From here, by clicking on the blog, you can open the blog in the blog view page. You can see this is our blog view page. You can see here is our thumbnail image. You can see some information about the blog, who wrote it, comments, and the date. After that, we have the content of the blog. At the right hand side, you can see latest post as well. We have a search input here. By that, we'll be able to search any kind of blog. Then we have the categories. You can filter your blog via this category. If I click on any kind of category, it will show only the blogs depending on that category. After that, at the end, you can see we have some share buttons. We can share the post in our social media with these buttons. Then at the end, we have this pagination system. We can go to our next post if we want by clicking on this next post. Right. After that, we have the comment section. From here, client will be able to add a comment to a post. So that's pretty much it about our blog view page. Now we can explore our other pages. Let's go to home page once more time. And let's go to our product page. Yes, we have a dedicated product page from where user will be able to see all of the products that we have. You can see all of the products are listed here with pagination. If the user wants, he can search here with any kind of keyword and also search in a specific category as well. Now let's see the next page, which is blog page. If I click here, we have a dedicated blog page from where user will be able to see all of our blogs. And here also we have the search input. From here, user will be able to search any kind of blog and also select any kind of category to search in a specific category. You can see that's how this page looks. Here we also have pagination, but as we doesn't have lots of data, the pagination is currently hidden. Now let's check out another page. After the blog page, we have this about page. So here, as you can see, this is our about page. Here we can show all about this site. You can see here are the sections. If I scroll a bit, we have why choose a section as well. We have a video section. If I click here, it will play a video, and also this video can be managed from our backend. Close this one. Now let's see the next section. Next section is basically chef section. After that, we have counter section. Then we have another testimonial section. So that's all about our about section. Let's go to contact page. So here is our contact page. You can see at the top, we are showing our contact details on the cards. Then we have a form. Via this contact form, user will be able to send emails to our official email address. After that, we have a map here. This is also dynamic. We can set the map from our backend. After that, we have some more pages, extra pages like chef page, testimonial page, privacy policy, terms and condition, etc. Okay, now let's go to our cart page. As I said, we have a dedicated cart page. We just have to click on cart view and it will take us to the cart view page. You can see here we have the listed of our cart items. You can see basic information about your cart like the product name, the size, options if you select any kind of option while you added the product into the cart. You can see the base price. You can update the quantity from here. If I try to update this one, click here and it will update the quantity here. Update the quantity here and also the total amount. Okay. Then we have this cross buttons. By that we can remove a product from our cart. Then here we have this clear all button as well. If we want to clear our entire cart, we can click on this button and it will clear all the products from the cart. Then in the right hand side, we have some information about our subtotals. Like here we have the subtotal. Then we have the delivery charge, which is currently 0 because the delivery charge will be added in the checkout page. Then we have the discount. Currently the discount is 0 because we didn't add any kind of coupon here. Yes, we have dynamic coupon. If the user have any kind of coupon, he can use it from here. Let's say I have a coupon that I created from my backend, which is super 20. If I click on apply, if the coupon is valid, so it will be implemented in our cart. As you can see, the coupon is added in this cart and you can see here is our discount amount. If we want to remove the coupon, we can remove it from here. Just click here and it will remove the coupon from the cart. You can see the discount amount is 0 again. So I will add the coupon, apply. Now we can go to our checkout page. Let's check the checkout page. Click here it will take you to the checkout page. From here, user have to select his address, and user can have multiple addresses like home address, office address, etc. So currently for this user, I created 2 addresses. You can list it. You can see listed here. If the user want to add more addresses, user can use this button. If I click here, it will open a form. From there, user can select area. So here, as you can see, the area is listed, and in our backend, we have a module by that we can create supported areas. So user can select the area and fill up this form and create a new address. So I'll not create it because I already have 2 addresses here. From any of them, I can select one. Just click here. Look at here. This address is selected. Now our delivery charge has been added. And the delivery charges are basically calculating depending on the area. As I said, in the backend, we have a module by that we'll be able to create areas. And with the area, you can also add the delivery charge that in a specific area, what will be the delivery charge. Now let's go to proceed payment page, click on it. And look at here, we are at the payment page. You can see our website supports 3 payment gateways currently. One is PayPal, Stripe, and Razorpay. From 3 of this payment gateway, you can select any of it for make the payment. At the right hand side, you can see we have the card details, card amount details, we have the subtotal, we have the delivery charge, and we have the discount, and then we have the total amount. So suppose I will pay via PayPal. So click on PayPal and it will redirect us to the PayPal page. Look at here, we are at the official website of the PayPal and we have to log in with our PayPal credential. Let's click on login and you can see we are at the PayPal checkout page. You can see your total price. So the total price is $279. If I click on continue to review order, look at here, we are at our order placed successfully page. That means our order has been placed. We have this go to dashboard button. If I click on go to dashboard, it will take us to the user dashboard page. You can see this is our user dashboard page. If I scroll a bit here, as you can see, we have total order count, completed order, then cancel order. You can see here we have the personal information. If we want, we can edit it. If I click here, edit, it will open this form, right? If I click on address, from here, user can add address, edit address, or delete address as well. If I click on edit, it will open the edit form, right? Then we have the reservation. If I click here, currently I don't have any kind of reservation, so it is showing empty. If I go to orders, you will see all the order list. As you can see, this user have 3 orders. All of those orders are currently pending. You can see the date, you can see the order ID, status, amount, and here we have an action button called view details. If I click on the view details, it will show the details, or you can say invoice of the order. You can see here we have a status also. Currently our order is pending, so it is showing order is pending. If it is processing, this will be highlighted. If it's delivered, this will be highlighted. So this is a basic timeline about order status. Then we have some information about our invoice. Then here, as you can see, we have the product details that we order, we have subtotal and all. Then we have a print button. Via this button, we can print the invoice, right? Let's go to next one. So here, as you can see, in the wish list, we are seeing a single product. After that, we have the review. So I didn't add any kind of review with this user. So you can see no reviews added. Then we have this messaging feature. From this section, a user can send a message to our admin site. Like if I say hello and press enter, it will send the message. And this is a live chatting system. That means user will able to chat with admin in real time. After that, we have our last section, which is password changing feature. From here, user will able to change his password. Then we have the logout button. If I click on logout, it will log out the current logged in user. So that's all about our front end. Now let's view our backend. So for logging into our backend, what I can do is we have to go to admin/login URL. And as you can see, we are at the admin login page. So here I will put my credential, admin credential, add login, And here, as you can see, we are logged into our admin panel. We're currently at the dashboard. You can see all the analytics of our website in this dashboard, like today's order, today's earning, monthly orders, earnings, yearly earnings and orders. Then how many admins do we have? How many users do we have? Total uploaded products, total blogs, etc. And in the bottom, we have our today's order listed here. You can see the invoice ID, user's name, then the quantity, then the grand total amount, order status, payment status, date, and then at the right hand side, we have action buttons. Okay, now let's check out any other feature. So the second one is our slider feature. If I click on slider, so here, as you can see, we have a slider module. From here, we can create new sliders, and this slider will show in our front end. After that, we have this daily offer module. From here, we can add daily offer items. Then we have the order module. From there, we'll be able to handle our orders. You can see we have these links: all order, pending orders, processing order, deliver order, etc. If I go to all orders, you'll be able to see all of the orders in this page. You can see here. From here, we can view a order. If I click on this I button, it will take us to the order view page. You can see currently we are at the order view page, or you can also say it invoice page. You can see all the information about the order, the user who ordered the product, payment status, order item, and also we have these actions here. By that we can change payment status and as well as our order status. So by default, the order status will be pending, and admin can change the status to in processing, delivered, or declined order. And then we have this print button. From this button, admin will able to print this invoice. Right. After that, we have this products module. From there, we can create product category. We can create products. If I click on products, you can see all of the products are listed here. From here, we can edit product, delete product. We can add multiple images for the product. Then we have this product variants portion as well. We can add multiple variants in our single products, like sizes, optional items, etc. from this module. Then we have the manage e-commerce. From the manage e-commerce, we can create coupon. We can add delivery areas. We have payment gateway settings. If I click on payment gateways, from here, you will be able to set up your payment gateways. Like currently, we support 3 payment gateways: PayPal, Stripe, and Razorpay. All the credentials of the APIs of the payment gateways will go here. And also from here, you can enable or disable a payment gateway. Like if you don't want to use Stripe, you can just select Stripe and make status inactive, so it will be hidden from our front end. Then we have the reservations. So from here, you can see client's reservation request. Here, as you can see, all the information about the client's reservation request, and admin will be able to change the status of the reservation. By default, all the reservation will be pending, and admin will be able to change the status. He can approve it, complete it, or cancel the reservation, or if he wants, he can delete the reservation as well. Then we have this messaging module. If I click on this messages, you can see this is our messaging module. From here, admin will able to chat with user in real time. Look at here, previously we sent a message from the user account. So here, as you can see, it is beeping and saying new message. By that we are able to know this user sent a message. Also, you can see a beep here also. By that we'll be able to know that we got a new message. If I click on this, you can see user sent us some messages. If I select this user, so you can see all the communication between this user are visible here. We can send any kind of message. Hey, send it. Look at here, it is sending, and the message has been sent. So via this module, we'll be able to communicate with the customers in real time. Then we have the blog module. We can create blog category. We can see all blogs. We can publish blogs, see the blogs comments, etc. Then we have the setting. Then we have the section. From here, we can control all the sections of our homepage, like why choosers, banner slider, shapes, etc. Then we have the pages. From here, we can create custom pages. We have a custom page builder. If I click on it, so here, as you can see, from this builder, we can add new pages in our website. We just have to go to create new, and we can create a new page from here. Then we have control for rest of the pages like about page, privacy policy, contact page, etc. Then we have this newsletter mod. From here, we can check out all of our newsletter, and also we can send email to all of our subscribers. Then we have social icon module, footer info section. Then we have a dynamic menu builder. If I show you, look here, we have a full-fledged drag and drop menu builder here. From here, we can create new menu items. We can drag drop our menu builder items. We can edit it. Also, we can delete an item if we want. Currently, we have 4 menus. If I open this drop down, look at here, I have 4 menus. One is main menu. Then we have footer menu 1, 2, and 3. Footer menus are basically these menus that you are seeing here in the footer. If I go to footer section, from this menu, from the menu builder, we can also handle these footer links as well. We can drag and drop these footer links from our backend portion. We can just select a footer menu. Let's say footer menu 1, click on choose. You'll be seeing all the footer menus. Now I can drag and drop the menu items as I want, and it will be dynamically updated in our front end as well. Pretty handy feature. Then after that, we have the admin management. We can add new admin into our website. Then we have the setting management. From here, we can update any kind of setting in our website. We have general settings. From here, you can set your currency. Currently, our website currency is USD. You can select any kind of currency you want. If you set the currency from here, all the currency at the front end will be changing dynamically. Okay. Then we have the currency icon. You can change the currency icon here. Then we have the currency position. From here, you can determine that where you want to show the currency icon. Is it will be in the left or right? Then we have the logo setting. Then we have the appearance setting. From here, you can change the color of your website. Then we have the pusher setting. As we have a messaging system, which is basically under the hood using pusher API. So for set the API credential, we have a module. Then we have mail settings. Then we have SEO settings as well. Then the last feature is database clear feature. From here, you will be able to easily clear the entire database if you want. So that's pretty much it. There are more features, but if I explain all of them, it will take lots of time. But I guess you got a brief idea what we did in this entire course. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the overview, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.